honestly, the surroundings here give me something to think on. A fuzzy scene made of grayscale shapes. You dream the colors of this song. Some memories that you're stuck between, washed clean of their detail. Ideas bleed over blurred seams, stumble blindly through thought trails. And honestly, the surroundings here give me something to think on. A fuzzy scene made of grayscale shapes. You dream the colors of this song. Some memories that you're stuck between, washed clean of their detail. Ideas bleed over blurred seams, stumble blindly down thought trails. We're working with primary color. You picture this in blue and red and yellow. As far from town as you want to be, 10-minute drive it will take us. The present scene won't be trapped or caught. Ran once before and you lost trust. I don't think we're equipped to see color broken from spectrum, tucked inside a metal container where they know you can't find them. As far from town as you want to be, 10-minute drive it will take us. The present scene won't be trapped or caught. Ran once before and you lost trust. I don't think I'm equipped to see color broken from spectrum, tucked inside a metal container where they know you won't find them. And it feels just like I'm cheating. And it feels like we're working with primary color. You picture this in blue and red and yellow. We're working with primary colors. You'll picture this in blue and red and yellow. I'll be hanging with the trees, you'll be outside of my leaves. We can talk again in winter. Whistle Dixie for the crows, feel the ground and decompose. Grab my limb and get a splinter. Lost your watch but found your way. Woke up late again today. Burned your hand and got a blister. Read the news and checked the date. Slow it down, it's not a race. Back and forth, just take the picture. Penmanship's a native tongue. Feed the pigeons and the doves. Runny nose, your fingers shiver. I'll be blowing in the breeze. You'll be outside of my reach. We can talk again next winter. With no particular place, with no particular pace today. Weather's great, let's misbehave, tear our clothes and carve our names. We can talk again in winter. I read the news and checked the date, slowed it down, it's not a race. Back and forth, take the picture. Out of ink and in the trash, aluminum, broken glass, fresh cut flowers near the window. Penmanship's the native tongue for the pigeons and the doves. Runny nose, your fingers shiver, with no particular pace, with no particular pace today, with no particular pace, with no particular pace today. Come and find me